Set up coordinate system for 2 points. Firstly, we measure 2 points on the workpiece by selecting points with mouse. And then we construct a line with the 2 points. Align it as an axis. Make one of the measured points as the origin of the coordinate. Coordinate system is now established. Save it. Now we can formally measure the required data on the workpiece. And then save. When we need to measure similar workpieces, just open the program. And click to Run. It will remind you to construct the coordinate system with a prompt in red at the bottom left and measure the points in the corresponding coordinate system. Then the second one. After the measurement, the system will automatically measure the remaining elements.